Hello students, welcome to e-classes of P.N. Amasay High School. We will continue with our chapter number 11, Algebra. Exercise 11.4, question number 1, answer the following. A part of question number 1, take Sarita's present age to be y years. In that first one, what will be her age 5 years from now? Students, here we have to consider Sarita's present age to be y years and we have to find out what will be her age 5 years from now. Solution for A part of question number 1. In that first one, let Sarita's present age be y years. It's given in the question. We have to find out Sarita's age 5 years from now. After 5 years, the age of Sarita will be y plus 5 years. We will add 5 to y to get Sarita's age after 5 years. So the answer is y plus 5 years. Second one, what was her age 3 years back? Solution for second part of A, her age 3 years back from now was y minus 3 years. As present age of Sarita is y years, 3 years back her age was y minus 3. So the answer is y minus 3 years. Third one, Sarita's grandfather is 6 times her age. What is the age of her grandfather? Solution for third part, here we have to find out the age of grandfather. Grandfather's age is 6 times Sarita's age. It's given in the question. So her grandfather's age will be 6 multiplied by y, as Sarita's present age is y years and her grandfather's age is 6 times, means we have to multiply 6 with y. So the answer is 6y years. So the age of grandfather is 6y years. Fourth, grandmother is 2 years younger than grandfather. What is grandmother's age? Solution for fourth part, here we have to find out the age of grandmother. Grandmother is 2 years younger than grandfather. As it's given in the question that grandmother is 2 years younger than grandfather, grandmother's age will be, we have found out in third part grandfather's age, that was 6y. We will subtract 2 from 6y to get grandmother's age. So the answer is grandmother's age is equals to 6y minus 2 years. Fifth one, Sarita's father's age is 5 years more than 3 times Sarita's age. What is her father's age? Solution for fifth part, here we have to find out father's age. It's given in the question that father's age is 5 years more than 3 times Sarita's age. 5 years more means we have to add 5 and 3 times Sarita's age will be 3y, as Sarita's present age is y. So 3 times Sarita's age will be 3y. So her father's age is equals to 3y plus 5 years. B part of question number 1. The length of a rectangular hall is 4 meters less than 3 times the breadth of the hall. What is the length if the breadth is b meter? Students, here what is given in the question is that we have to assume breadth as b meters. And the information given here is that the length of the rectangular hall is 4 meters less than 3 times of the breadth of the hall. Solution for B part of question number 1. Let the breadth of the rectangular hall be b meters. It's given in the question. The length is 4 meters less than 3 times the breadth. It's also given in the question. So we have to find out the length. Length is 4 meters less, means we have to subtract 4. 3 times the breadth means we have to multiply 3 by breadth. Breadth is b meters. So in the place of breadth we will write 3b. So the length is 3b minus 4 meters. C part of question number 1. A rectangular box has height 8 centimeter. Its length is 5 times the height and breadth is 10 centimeter less than the length. Express the length and the breadth of the box in terms of the height. Students, here it's given in the question that the height of the rectangular box is 8 centimeter and the length of the rectangular box is 5 times the height and breadth is 10 centimeter less than the length. We have to express length and breadth of the box in terms of height. Solution for C part of question number 1. Height of the box is equals to h centimeter. It's given in the question. Length is 5 times the height. Here the information given is that the length is 5 times the height. 5 times means we have to multiply 5 by height. Here in the place of height h is given. So we will multiply 5 by h. So length is 5h centimeter. Breadth is 10 centimeter less than the length. Now here it's given that breadth is 10 centimeter less, means we have to subtract 10 from the length. Length which we found out now was 5h. So we will subtract 10 from 5h. Therefore breadth is equals to 5h minus 10 centimeter. Now D part of question number 1. Meena, Beena and Leena are climbing the steps to the hilltop. Meena is at step S. Beena is 8 steps ahead and Leena 7 steps behind. Where are Beena and Meena? The total number of steps to the hilltop is 10 less than 4 times what Meena has reached. Express the total number of steps using S. Students, here what is given in the question is that Meena is at step S. Beena is 8 steps ahead. Leena is 7 steps behind Meena. And the total number of steps to the hilltop is 10 less than 4 times what Meena has reached. We have to express the total number of steps using S. Solution for D part of question number 1. Meena's position is equals to S. It's given in the question that we have to consider number of steps as S. So Meena's position is equals to S. Beena is 8 steps ahead. Means we have to add 8 to S, as Beena is 8 steps ahead of Meena. So Beena's position is equals to S plus 8, as S is the position of Meena and Beena is 8 steps ahead. So Beena's position will be S plus 8. Leena is 7 steps behind Meena. So Leena's position will be S minus 7, as Meena's position is S and Leena is 7 steps behind. So we will subtract 7 from S. So Leena's position is equals to S minus 7. Now total number of steps. Here in the question it's given that the total number of steps to the hilltop is 10 less than 4 times of what Meena has reached. Meena has reached at S steps. So 4 times what Meena has reached means 4S, and the number of steps to the hilltop is 10 less. So we will subtract 10. So total number of steps is equals to 4S minus 10. Students, E part of question number 1 you have to do by yourself. Now question number 2. Change the following statements using expressions into statements in ordinary language. For example, given Salim scores R runs in a cricket match, Nalin scores R plus 15 runs. In ordinary language, Nalin scores 15 runs more than Salim. Students, here few statements are given using expressions. We have to change the following statements into statements in ordinary language. A part of question number 2. A notebook costs rupees P. A book costs rupees 3P. Now students, in this A part we will write the statement with expression using ordinary language. The answer is the cost of a book is 3 times that of a notebook. B and C part of question number 2 you have to do by yourself. Now D part. Jaggu is Z years old. His uncle is 4Z years old and his aunt is 4Z minus 3 years old. We have to change the statement into an statement with ordinary language. So D part of question number 2. We will write the statement in our ordinary language as Jaggu's uncle is 4 times older than Jaggu and his aunt is 3 years younger than his uncle. E part of question number 2 you have to do by yourself. Now question number 3. A part of question number 3. Given Munu's age to be X years, can you guess what X minus 2 may show? Hint, think of Munu's younger brother. Can you guess what X plus 4 may show and what 3X plus 7 may show? Students, here what is given in the question is that Munu's age we have to consider as X years. We have to guess what X minus 2 will show. hint given is that we have to think about Munnu's younger brother, and then we have to guess about x plus 4 and 3x plus 7. Solution for A part of question number 3. If Munnu's age is x year, it's given in the question that we have to consider Munnu's age as x years, then x minus 2 may show his younger brother's age, as the hint was given that we have to consider Munnu's younger brother also. So x minus 2 will show younger brother's age, x plus 4 may show his elder brother's age, and 3x plus 7 may show his mother's age. B part of question number 3 you have to do by yourself. Now C part of question number 3. Given n students in the class like football, what may 2n show? What may n by 2 show? Hint, think of games other than football. Students, here what is given in the question that n number of students like football in a class. We have to state what will 2n show and what will n by 2 show. We have the hint given is that think of games other than football. Solution for C part of question number 3. Number of students who like football is equals to n. It's given in the question that n students in the class like football. Then 2n shows twice of those number of students liking cricket, as the hint was given that we have to consider other games than football. So 2n means twice of the number of the students who like football must be liking cricket. N by 2 shows half of those number of students liking table tennis. And here n by 2 may show the students who like table tennis. So here 2n shows the students liking cricket and n by 2 shows students liking table tennis. Students, with this we end our today's video and will continue with our chapter in the next video. Thank you.